I was recently on the NCL Breakaway, had a fantastic time. If you've seen my rant video, watch it. I did have some problems. I'm not one to complain, but those items were issues that everyone had. Anyway, I was on there. I did a walkthrough of my room. It was cabin number 10204. It was a midship mini suite balcony category, and I gotta look at my paper here, category MB. Now, when you get to the end of the video and it looks like it's over, just wait a second because I discovered something special after I did this walkthrough. So there's a little bit extra at the end, a little bit of a feature we found out as well. My name's Stuart. This is Ship to Shore Cruise News. Let's do that walkthrough. Okay, so we're gonna do a room walkthrough of 10204, a club balcony suite, mini suite on the Norwegian Breakaway. So let's go and take a look. So as we walk in here, we can see the main room. We've got a nice wide entrance. Here we've got the queen size bed set up, looks quite nice. And as we walk through, we've got the couch area. There's my backpack and stuff. Looks like a very nice, spacious room. Got your TV and your regular cupboards. Down here, got a little mini fridge. Anything in it? There's a bottle of sparkling water. Our telephone, and there's the water that's ordered. Hate to break in. I got a little extra here. I thought I'd throw into the middle here. I'm doing my drive for 500 subscribers. I'm getting close. I'm just over 350 subscribers. I want you to go out there and smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, help me get to 500. I don't get no fancy standard. I don't get like any sort of star I can put on. I don't get no plaque. I don't get no money for getting to 500. It's just a nice round number. So only you can help me get to 500, not 10, not 5. Subscribe, like, back to the video. And as we open it up, you can see our balcony. It's kind of a small balcony. Let's open it up and take a look outside. It's watery, it's wet, it's been raining here in New Orleans. That's the other side of the river. It's beautiful out there today. Okay, so let's close this door. Lock that up. As we walk back forward to the other end of the room, you can see Tanis running out of the way there. And we open up, we got a nice closet. That's a pretty deep closet actually, it's pretty big. I'm kind of surprised how big that closet is. Over here we've got the shelving and we've got the safe, which I always use. And this is looking huge. Let's take a look in the bathroom here. Got a toilet and we got ourselves a nice, I'm going to call that a double sink. 2 faucets, nice drinking water, and here we've got this massive shower. For me it's massive, it's pretty wide. I think it's going to be great. Let's take a look in here. I'm told that these rooms do come with coffee pots. I don't see one, but I think I am going to be required to ask for one. I'm not seeing any USB ports by the bed. And I just see 2 outlets in the room. And Tanis is out in the hallway laughing at me. Anyway, hi. And that's the review of the room. It looks great, it looks clean, it looks spacious, and to tell you the truth, I could probably take a nap right now. Okay, anyway, Stuart from Ship to Shore Cruise News, get your cruise on. So I've got a little bit more information about the shower in 10204. I didn't notice this till I took a shower. This is a very interesting shower. As you can see, our bathroom is messy, but this shower isn't just normal. You can see it's got a shower head that you can move up and down. And then, what's this? You got these funny shower heads here. And down below farther, you've got these shower heads here. And you've got these funny ones here. So I'm gonna start it up, and I think I might get wet here doing this. Hold on. Okay, so I've got the water on. You can see here I've got water coming out of the top. I know it's unusual seeing a shower video. I can turn this here, so you get that action. Here, your little action, regular shower head. Go down here, and I turn this dial to the first position, and you get water coming out there. And water down near your feet. So just that hits a nice comfortable spot on your body. Click this up another spot, and you just get water out of the bottom ones. That's pretty neat. Click it up one more spot, and you get water out of all of the 2, 4, 6 little ones, but not out of the top. And you go one more up, and you just get water out of this one. Anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. And I thought I'd share that with you because I've never seen that in a shower before. It's pretty amazing. Hey, if I'm gonna do a walkthrough of a cabin, I wanna make sure I do it right and get you all the information. I thought this was pretty cool. Anyway, talk to you later. That's my walkthrough of cabin 10204 on the Norwegian Breakaway. And this is January 29th, 2023 when this video was taken. I want to thank all my Ship to Shore crew members for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, get those clicks in there. I hope you enjoy that cabin. The bathroom was huge. There was only 2 of us in there. And it was a wonderful time. The next time you're on Norwegian, if you can book a mini suite, I'd suggest you try it out. Wonderful experience. I felt like I was in pure luxury.